They say a tool is only as good as the care you give it. This Deerhorn folder has seen better days. It's gummed up, dull, and honestly, pretty gross. The action is stiff, the metal is tired, and it's lost that snap. Time to strip back the years and get this back into the pocket. A bit of isopropyl and some elbow grease with steel wool to cut through that old gum. We're looking for the soul of the steel underneath the grime. I'm using the rotary tool to level the blade and bring the bolsters back to a mirror finish. Consistency is key here, keeping everything uniform and smooth. You have to be gentle polishing it just enough to reveal that natural texture without losing its character. This little blade was snapped, but we don't throw things away here. I'm grinding it down, reshaping the profile, and giving it a new purpose. It's not a defect anymore, it's a feature. Last step, the edge, a good hand file to set the geometry and a final hone to ensure it bites. A daily carry needs to be more than just pretty. It has to be sharp, clean, polished, and restored, ready for work. From a forgotten relic to a daily companion,